Okay, so for our next topic is solving word problem involving division of fraction. Now we have here an example. Okay, Mrs. Cruz bought a loaf of bread for breakfast. It measures 18 inches long. How many slices can she make if each slice measures 1 and 1/8 inches long? So, first you're going to understand now what is being asked. Ano ang tinatanong sa ating problem? Okay? Okay, so the word problem asks okay, always remember kapag tayo ay tinatanong ng what is being asked, now, hindi yung tanong na nakapaloob doon sa word problem ang isasagot, kundi you're going to start with okay, the. If you're referring with the amount of money, then start with the amount. Okay? Since eto, how many slices? Okay? So it refers to the number. Okay? The number of slices she that can be cut from a loaf of bread. Okay? And then what are the given facts? So that's the next question. Ano-ano ba yung mga given facts? Okay? Let's see. So we have 18 inches long, pwede din naman. Or if we want the complete sentence, the loaf of bread is 18 inches long. And then what is the second one? Okay, so we have each slice of bread is 1 and 1/8 long. Okay. So, lagyan ninyo ng guhit yung inyong magiging sagot. Ganyan. Now, what is the importance of identifying those for you to be easily what do we call this one? For you to be easily identify what operations you're going to use. What operation, if that is only one, operations if it requires two operation in solving the given problem. So, tingnan natin. Now, what operations shall be used? So, ating titignan, so we have whole number. Ang haba niya is 18 inches long. Okay, and then a part of a whole is 1 and 1/8. Okay? So therefore, i-divide natin. So ang operation na gagamitin natin dyan is division. Okay? And then, the last step is you're going to solve. How are you going to solve? Okay, so napag-aralan naman na natin on how to transform non-routine problem to routine problem. So, ano ang gagawin natin or ano yung processes na kailangan natin gawin to solve the given problem. Okay? So, isulat na ninyo. Tingnan natin kung tugma yung magiging sagot ninyo sa magiging sagot ko. Okay? So, how are we going to do it? So, always remember na in dividing word problem, kailangang mag-isip mabuti, okay? Sabi ko nga, sa non-routine problem, you're going to analyze, okay? Analyze well the given word problem for you to come up with the correct solution. Okay? Okay, so we have, sa solving na tayo. Okay, so we have, dahil whole number ito, saan natin ilalagay? So, ilalagay natin ito sa bandang kaliwa. Okay? Always take note of that. Kapag ka whole number ang given ang whole number, ilalagay natin ito sa bandang kaliwa and then yung parts of a whole nandito. Okay? again. Kapag whole number is already given, kahit nasa pangalawang word problem pa ito, hindi natin ito pwedeng ilagay sa bandang kanan kasi it is a whole number. Pero kung hindi given ang kanyang hindi given yung what do we call this one? Yung whole number, parehas yang parts of a whole, ilalagay ito sa bandang kanan. And then, ang numerator, there's no need for us to get its reciprocal. So, while this one, kapag whole number ang given, okay, nandito ito sa bandang kaliwa, and then you're going to add denominator na 1 sa ilalim. Okay? Di ba? Ang denominator ay nasa ilalim. And then, rewrite muna natin ito. Mamaya na tayo kukunin yung reciprocal. Okay? Convert muna tayo. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay? So, 9. 9 eighths. Copy the given denominator. Okay. So, hindi pa ito dahil division tayo. So, now we're now ready to rewrite. And then, palitan natin yung division into multiplication. So, and then what is the reciprocal of 9 8? So, we have 8, 9. Okay. Now, again, kapag cancellation method, okay, we make use of cancellation method kapag pwede nating i-apply. If not, hindi pwede. You're going to multiply numerator and then the denominator. So, let's see. Now, 9, thus 9 is divisible by 18. If we do the skip counting, 9, 18, so pwede. So, 9 divided by 9 is 1. 9 divided by 18 is 2. Okay? And then, we're now ready to multiply. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. So, 16 first. So, that is an improper fraction. So, 16 divided by 1 is 16. So, therefore, ang ating magiging sagot is, ano ba yung tinatanong kanina? Okay? The question is, how many slices can she make if each slice measures 1 and 1/8 inches long? So therefore, we can make out of 1 and 1/8 inches long sa 18 na inches long na loaf of bread, we can create or we can cut the loaf of bread into 16 pieces. Okay? So, i-rewrite natin ito. There are 16 slices. Okay? So, there are 16 slices that can be cut. Okay, that can be cut. Okay, that can be cut from loaf of bread. Okay, so we have another example. Okay, how about this one? Each costume for a school play requires 3 1/2 yards of cloth. How many costumes can be made from 14 yards? So, meron daw tayong 14 yards. And then, out of that 14 yards, each costume, it requires 3 1/2 yards of cloth. Okay? So, what is being asked? Okay? Ano ang tinatanong? Hindi tanong mo, tanong din ang isasagot. So, let us rephrase that. Okay? From interrogative sentence, we're going to make that as declarative sentence. So, the number of costumes can be made from 14 yards. Okay, how about what are the given facts? Okay, so anyone, what are the given facts? So we have the cloth or the length, the length of cloth is 14 yards. And then the second one, each costumes requires 3.5 yards. Okay, so those are the given facts. Now, what operation shall be used? So, of course, we make use of division. And then, last step is you're going to solve. Okay, so you have to create the given word problem. Pakita natin yung solution. Okay, so how are you going to do it? Kagaya din ng process na ginawa natin kanina. Okay? So, just like what we did a while ago, so ganun din ang gagawin ninyo. Okay, so always remember, again, if that is a word problem, you have to analyze very well for you to come up with the correct answer. Okay. Okay, so we have, what is the word problem na? Okay, so we have, let's see, balikan natin. Okay, so 14 yards. So, since the whole number is already given, so ilalagay natin ito sa bandang kaliwa. Okay? 14 divided by 3.5. Okay. So, hindi pa natin mape-perform yung operation agad-agad. Okay? Kasi, we're going to make our whole number into fraction as well as our mixed fraction. We're going to convert that into improper. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 half. Okay, so rewrite na natin. 14, 1 times, what is the reciprocal of 7 and 2? Okay, we have 2 and then 7. Okay, can we apply cancellation method here? 14 and 7? Yes, because 7 is divisible by 14. Okay, so 1 and then 2. Okay, so 2 times 2, we have 4. And then 4, 1 times 1 is 1. So 4 divided by 1 is an improper fraction. So the final answer is here is 4. Okay? So therefore, final answer is the number, or there are four costumes. Okay? There are four costumes that can be made in 14 yards. Okay? So ganun lang kadali. So there are four costumes that can be made in 14 yards. Okay, another example. What if we have this one, okay? If each of 7 cakes is cut into 8, how many pieces will there be? Okay. Okay, so pag ganyan ang problem, can we apply division here? Kasi meron tayong 7 cakes. Okay, both of the given facts are whole number. So let's find out. Now first, you have to identify what is being asked. Okay? Okay, what is being asked? Okay, so we have the number. Okay, the number of slices. Kasi hahatiin natin yung 7 cakes into 8. The number of slices can be made in 7 cakes. Okay, what are the given facts? Of course, we have 7 cakes, and then each cake will be cut into 8. Okay, 8 pieces. Okay, so sa planning, sa pagpaparami ito, so we're going to multiply. So yun ang operation na gagamitin natin. So if each cake, so now you're now ready to perform the operation as simple as this one. Okay? Okay, so habang ako'y nagbubura. Okay, so always remember again, kung ganun ang naging word problem na na-encounter ninyo, so hindi division ang gagamitin natin, kundi multiplication. Kaya kinakailangang isiping mabuti. Hindi porke division ang topic natin, division na agad ang gagawin. You have to analyze well. Okay? Okay, now let's go back. Okay, so ganito lang. So 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is what? Okay. So if we do this, keep counting. So 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 7, we have 56. So we have 56. Okay. 56 slices of cakes out of 7 cakes. So that's what you're going to do on pages 16 to 17, learning task number 2 and 3. Ganyan ang gagawin. Okay, there is no need for you to copy as well as learning task number 4. Just the answer only. Ilagay ninyo sa learning task number 4. Agree or agree if you can do it, disagree if you cannot do it, and more if you need assistance in doing it. So be honest in answering learning task number 4 kasi it refers to yourself. Okay.